Hey there, travel enthusiast. It's great to see you. And today I'm super excited to talk about something that can add a special touch to your travel business. The client welcome package. This little gem can make a huge difference in how your client feels about their upcoming adventures. Not only does it get them pumped for their trip, but it also shows them you care. I'll be sharing some amazing tips and tricks to help you create a fabulous welcome package. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about personalizing your welcome note. A heartfelt welcome message can make your client feel really special. Remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey leading up to it as well. Write a warm and friendly note, maybe something like, "Welcome to your upcoming adventure. We're thrilled to have you as our client." Adding personal touches like mentioning their name or a special request they made can go a long way. And don't forget, a handwritten note or signature, well, it adds that personal touch. Next up, essential travel information. This is key to making your clients feel prepared and at ease. Include things like their itinerary, flight details, hotel reservations, and contact information for local services. It's also super helpful to add emergency numbers and embassy contacts. Make sure everything is simple and easy to read. Don't forget to include a few travel tips or local recommendations to make their trips stress-free and enjoyable. Now let's add some handy travel accessories. Little things like luggage tags, travel guides, or even a compact map can be really useful and a great item for them to keep and look back on. Choose items that match your brand's personality. You can even get a little creative and source or create custom accessories with your personalized logo. Clients absolutely love these thoughtful extras. Many of our agents that include these items to their clients for booking always receive glowing positive feedback. All right, on to local guides and recommendations. This can be a game changer for your clients. Include information on must-see attractions, popular restaurants, and even some hidden gems only locals know about. If you have a favorite cafe or spot that you love, be sure to share it with them. Reach out to local businesses to get the best up-to-date info. Then you're going to want to present it in a clear and appealing way so they know exactly where to go and what to do. Now let's add in some extra value with discount coupons and exclusive offers if possible. I mean, who doesn't love a good deal, right? Partner with local businesses to provide your clients with special discounts on dining, tours, or shopping. Create professional looking coupons or vouchers that they can easily use during their trip. These little perks show you're looking out for their best interest and they truly will appreciate it. Now, of course, in every booking scenario, that may not be an option, but for those of you that applies, definitely take advantage of it. Finally, let's talk about presenting your welcome package. Make sure everything looks cohesive and neat. Use a nice folder or a decorative box to keep everything organized and protected. And timing is crucial. Make sure your clients receive their welcome package well before their trip begins. This not only helps them prepare, but it also builds excitement. I mean, who doesn't like a package like helping them count down their trip? That is just a no-brainer. And there you have it, a beautiful, thoughtful client welcome package. It's a small gesture that can really make a big impact on your clients' travel experiences. Don't forget to ask for feedback so you can keep improving and make each package better than the last. Thanks for hanging out with me for a few minutes today. I hope these tips help you create amazing welcome packages that your clients will love. Well, safe travels, everyone. Until next time, happy traveling.